Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if you want to auto refresh your page, right, your website, okay, for every 10 seconds or 5 seconds, even 1 seconds, you can auto refresh it. So how to do that? For that, right, you need to, if you're using Chrome browser, go to settings and then click on this extensions on your Chrome browser and then tap visit Chrome Web Store. Okay, cool. Now what you need to do is here search auto refresh. Okay, search this extension and this is the extensions I'm going to use it. Okay, just add to Chrome. I'm removing, but I will add it again. Add to Chrome, add this extension. Okay, cool. And here I'm going to tap this and pin it. Okay, pin it. Okay, cool. Now go to this this is my Instagram page and here the auto refresh, right? So I'm going to click on that, and if you want to do it for every 5 seconds or 10 seconds, right, you can select and then you need to tap the start button. Okay, and then allow. So here the time will be running here, and every 5 seconds automatically the page will be refreshed. See, automatically it is getting refreshed. Super cool, right? So this is the way you can auto refresh your website in Chrome browser. If you want to stop it, you can stop like this. You can go through all this. That's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedbacks in your forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.